Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing a very simple thing, simple recipe. I would love to eat the tart, but look in my fridge. This is what I have. I have some puff pastry and I'm going to use some bacon and some onions to make a lovely tart. Okay, so that's what we are doing today. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. We do lovely recipes here, so please come along with me, and then I know that you are going to love it. Okay, so what I have here, I have my puff pastry. This is a short board puff pastry. It's just a quick recipe that I'm doing. So guys, we have put everything together nicely. Okay, I've got some small ones with it as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just make some holes at the bottom so that it won't be, you won't have a soggy bottom, sorry. So guys, yeah, what I've done here, I have I've put some parchment paper in there, and then because it's puff pastry, it might, when you put it in the oven, it might come up and I will lose my space to put my egg in there. So I've put some rice in there and I'm putting that into the oven. This is supposed to be in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we'll take it out and put our egg into it. Right guys, so while my puff pastry is in the oven, I'm trying to cook my bacon. I've just cut them into small pieces. So guys, I have my butter in there. I'm going to just cook my onions. The onions will bring out the sweetness and it makes it really, really nice. So guys, I do have my eggs here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to spice this a bit. I'm going to add a bit of salt. Not a lot of salt because the bacon is salty, and then I have some black pepper, and then I'll add a bit of white pepper. Okay, I'm adding some parsley. So guys, I've put the bacon and the onions in my tart, so I'm going to pour my mixture. Okay, this is the egg mixture. So guys, with the small one, the tart, I'm going to put a bit of chili flakes on it if you like it spicy. So I'm going to put this into the oven. It's already preheated at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, this is the tart. It smells amazing. Okay, so you can try this recipe. It's very easy to do. Okay, so I have the big one and I have this the small ones just on the sides. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that. So just have a look at this. It smells amazing. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God bless you. Bye.